What's good, y'all? It's Basketball Game here, and today we're gonna be recording a video on a tutorial how to this will be just a tutorial video for any of y'all who needs to get to haunted house and you don't want to, like, you know, do all the key stuff, because haunted house is pretty scary, I have to admit. But if you don't want to do all that, here's some tips and tricks. Well, basically just a glitch, but here's how to do it. Basically, I will also include something special at the end. Also, before we get started, thank y'all so much for 120 subs, dude. 19, but thank y'all for 100 subs. I am really happy about that, dude. Like, I am so happy, dude. You don't understand how happy I am for 100 subs. I've had this YouTube channel for 2 years, y'all, and I finally hit 100 subs, and I'm just so happy, y'all. But yeah, thank y'all for getting me this far. And in reward, if any of y'all want a free bag of grapplers and pickaxes, join the code JDD. I will be on usually if we're talking about like the week, I'll usually be on by at least 5:15ish, 5:30ish, because I do have practice. I will be live streaming too. I'm gonna live stream to do that too later. So yeah, let's get started. So the first step that you want to do for Haunted Mansion is obviously get a bag. This one. And this stuff's in my bag. But you want to buy a pickaxe, or if you want, you can just buy a crowbar or normal pickaxe. You wanna go over here. Y'all probably know what the function is. If you don't, perfect video for you. Perfect video for you. We don't want to you just go over to the just try to get past these. But what you want to do, once you get to this point, just keep going. Go up top of here, but make sure to go up here so also, but forgot to mention, you need a grappler. There is an option not to have a grappler, but it's really grappler. So then you want to get past him. Then you want to go into angle. This spot is scary sometimes. I really don't like if Angler is in right there, just wait for him to like turn back, and then I personally think it's not really but like if you have it's a little scary. What you want to do with your bag, put your stuff in the bag, open your Oculus menu, go to settings. Or no, not settings, but click Wi-Fi, click your Wi-Fi, click disconnect, and the door will unload. Go in here. Luckily it's still recording, I forgot that you can record without Wi-Fi. But after that, go back. What you want to do, a lot of people get this stuff on. What you want to do, join back to the same internet you were just on. Literally just on. Go back to it. I might have just did it wrong on accident. But yes, that is it. Oh, yep, nope, I just got it. Okay. You will have your bag, empty out your bag, you will have your stuff. You will literally have your stuff. And it's that easy. It's just that easy. Then you can just go back down like the pros do.
Real quick, sorry for interrupting, but if you don't want to watch me mine, please go skip to 824 if you want to know how to get out.
But yeah, that's basically how you do it, y'all. Yeah, and then you could just, and then what you do is you just use your bag to collect the stuff. Bag's not opening. Weird. But I'm still collecting the stuff. But yeah, that's basically how you do it, y'all. It's just that easy, y'all. Yeah. If you don't want to watch this part, skip through to the end if you don't want to watch this part. Please do. I just lost it. Yeah, y'all. And then I'll show you how to get out of it. If you have a just grab one like So then what you do is you make sure to try to not hit the eye here. Like I just hit the eye right there. If you do have some extra armor, it's a little easier. Jeez. Then what you do is you go down here. If you personally want reds are down here. I would personally get blues though. Blues are up there because blues are typically better. They give you about like 300. It's been calculated $300 more usually. So you can get some reds if you want there. Then go down into this black hole. Oh, I forgot my grappler. But if you have enough money, you can buy one of these. You don't necessarily need it, but oh no. Oh jeez. This is very bad. After this point, you can just leave the cards behind. That's what I personally do, because sometimes I really don't extra gems. I personally wouldn't do that. After that part, I accidentally went the wrong way, y'all. Sorry about that. You want to go over here, and then you want to go right over here. I forgot my grappler, but if you do grab your grappler, you would just literally climb up here, go over here, get on this bridge. Yep, and then you climb up here, get to this spot right here. This spot can be hard sometimes. And then it will just pull you. This is normal. You will get flashed. Flash warning. You will get flashed. Just drop down. Go over here. Right here. Grab your bag. And then, like the usual, you just sell it, you know? And you will get some bands. If you do have blue bags, I would personally get 2 blue black bags because it will give you more. But even with just the brown bag, 1 full brown bag, that wasn't fully full. But you will get around 3,300. Bands, I would personally say bands. I do know how to duplicate, but I'm not gonna put that in the video, y'all. But my stuff, unfortunately, is unfortunately not going to load. But after that, y'all, this is the secret. This is the spot. I wouldn't say it's really that useful. It's just a little secret. But what you want to do is after Haunted House, after the Haunted House, restart your game so you can actually get an umbrella. But buy an umbrella. Then what you want to do is you want to go over here. By the way, this is the new bunker map that's going to be released next update. Just to let y'all know, there's going to be a new bunker map. Right here, by this do not enter sign, by the last one, there will be a little crack right here. Just crawl under it, walk around. Now you can just walk around, go right here. You can go anywhere in this area. I would personally go right here though. But in that exact spot right there, literally right there is where the new bunker map is going to be. It's crazy, but that is where it's going to be. Next step, if you want to get down there, also if you want a faster way to get to sewers, this is a very fast way to get to low gravity. That spot right there is where low gravity is, I'm pretty sure. What you want to do is grab your umbrella, fly over right to there. When you get to probably above it, just drop down. Same for the bunker. What you want to do is you want to glide down though. You want to glide down, and when you're about the middle of it, just let go of your umbrella or undo it, and then you'll just land inside of it. Unfortunately, when you do land inside the bunker map, there's no way out. So I would not go in there yet though, but it's just a little secret to find out about. But yeah, that's about it, y'all. If this was helpful, please let me know if this was helpful. But yeah, y'all, yeah. Please tell me, what y'all, you can't see me, unfortunately. But if y'all want any more suggestions in the comments, if you need other tutorials, please tell me in the comments. Anyways, Basketball Game out.